In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view video transcripts in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate captions for a video stored in Drive and then open the transcript so you can read, search, and follow along with the audio. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and heading to your Drive home. Make sure you're signed into the account that has access to the video. Once you're in Drive, find the video file you want to work with and click it to select it. You don't need to open it yet, just highlight the file so you can access its options. Next, open the More Actions menu by clicking the three dots associated with that video. This menu gives you file-level tools. From here, choose File Information. This is where Google Drive keeps details about the file along with management options specific to videos. Within the Information panel, look for Manage Caption Tracks and click it. This takes you to the Captions area for this specific video. Here, you're in the Captions view, which lists any existing caption tracks and lets you create new ones. To create a transcript, click Generate Automatic Caption. If you're prompted to choose a language, pick the one that matches the spoken audio. After you start generation, you can close this window. The captioning runs in the background. Depending on the length and audio quality of your video, it may take a little time. If you don't see a transcript right away later, give it a moment and refresh. Now return to Drive and double-click the video to open the player. Once the video is open, click the settings gear icon in the top corner of the player. This opens playback options tied to this video. In the settings menu, click Transcript. A transcript panel will appear alongside the video. You'll see timestamped lines that align with the audio. You can scroll to skim the content, and in most cases, clicking a line will jump the video to that exact moment. This is perfect for reviewing meetings, lectures, or long recordings. If something looks off, remember automatic captions are generated by speech recognition and may contain errors, especially with background noise or specialized terms. You can regenerate or upload a corrected caption track later from the same captions area you visited earlier. If the transcript option doesn't show up, captions may still be processing, or you may not have permission to manage them. Try refreshing the video player after a few minutes, confirm you're on the correct account, and ensure the file is a supported video format. That's it. Open Drive, generate automatic captions, then use the transcript option in the video player to read along and navigate your content efficiently.